Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some friendship like leveling tips and tricks on Disney Dreamlight Valley. So what I like to do is I like to bring them around with me and talk to them, and also you're just going to basically give them gifts as well. Like, I have something to give you, and if they want carrot and stuff like here and you have that, you're going to give it to them. I don't have any of them currently on me, but you're just going to give it to them. And then you can also, if they're in the restaurant in Remy's, serve them as well. You can see on Google the times of, the times that they're in the restaurant, and it's going to level up the friendship too. If you're already in the level 4 friendship, you can also go either fishing, gardening, mining, and I think mining and digging with them. And it's also going to level up the friendship as well. That is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!